Hi everyone, this is Ria. Today I'll be giving you all a demo on our prototype, Project Chimera. The $100 billion generic drug market is broken. But what if we could transform low-margin generics into high-value medicines? This is Project Chimera, our vision for enterprise AI in pharmaceutical R&D that would identify scientifically plausible, commercially profitable, and legally defensible drug repurposing opportunities. This wouldn't be a chatbot. It would be a complete AI powered deal team that generates investment grade reports in minutes, not months. Our proposed multi agent AI system would combine three specialized experts: a bioinformatics expert analyzing scientific plausibility, a market analyst evaluating commercial viability, and an IP patent lawyer assessing legal defensibility. Here's how our dashboard would look: your command center for drug repurposing opportunities. In this prototype, we're showing 47 total opportunities with an average MCDA score of 78.5. The system would generate complete investment reports with an average analysis time of just 2.4 minutes. Our opportunities pipeline would display cases like thalidomide for multiple myeloma scored 94, already approved. Sildenafil for pulmonary hypertension at 91, a potential new opportunity. And here's our example: metformin for glioblastoma at 82, shown as in review. Every opportunity would be backed by our pharma commercial knowledge graph. Here's how metformin would connect to its targets, indications, and patents. In our system, metformin activates AMPK, which inhibits mTOR, a pathway implicated in glioblastoma. The drug would also link to type 2 diabetes treatment, and its base patent US 4080472. These wouldn't be random connections. They'd be evidence-backed relationships from PubMed, clinicaltrials.gov, and USPTO databases. Now here's where the magic would happen. This shows how a user could ask Chimera to analyze metformin for oncology indications. Watch how our three AI agents would work simultaneously. First, the bioinformatics expert would analyze the science. In this example, metformin demonstrates strong mechanistic rationale through AMPK activation, inhibiting mTOR signaling. It crosses the blood-brain barrier and shows anti-proliferative effects. The system would assign a scientific plausibility score, 78 out of 100. Every claim would be linked to PubMed and clinical trials. Next, the market analyst would evaluate commercial potential. Our prototype shows glioblastoma market at $3.2 billion globally. Current standard of care, temozolomide, at $15,000 per year. Metformin's generic status would enable competitive pricing with an addressable market of $180 million annually in the US alone. Commercial profitability score, 82 out of 100. Finally, the IP patent lawyer would assess legal defensibility. This example shows metformin's base patent expired in 2002, but method of use opportunities would exist for oncology indications. Orphan drug designation would be available for 7-year exclusivity. Freedom to operate, confirmed. IP defensibility, 85 out of 100. Our multi-criteria decision analysis would combine all three dimensions into a composite score. In this example, metformin for glioblastoma scores 82 overall. The system would compare this to the current standard of care, temozolomide, at 60. That's a 37% improvement, a clear investment signal. Every analysis would generate a complete investment-ready report. Here's how the pipeline view would look: from approved opportunities like thalidomide at 94 to new discoveries waiting for review. Each report would include executive summaries, complete evidence citations, patent landscapes, market sizing, and actionable recommendations. This is Project Chimera, our vision for transforming the broken generic market into a pipeline of high-value opportunities. 70% lower R&D costs, 3 times higher approval rates, investment-grade intelligence in minutes. This prototype demonstrates the future of pharmaceutical business development. This is what Project Chimera can become